Hello guys, welcome back to another video, and today we are going to I am going to show you how to get the bait button. I'll actually show you guys what the bait button is. Let me actually get a flashlight real quick. Let me check if my gears in my backpack. Yes.
You don't want to stack a rock?
Oh god, this kid. Can I use it? Alright. No. Oh my gosh, my game is laggy. Sorry if my recording is laggy, guys. That's kind of buns. That's like... Alright, well, anyway, we are going to get this right here. You actually have to unlock this bait button. And, yeah, so I would recommend, I'll be showing you guys how to do this. I'm going to turn up the brightness right when I get in here, because it's super dark. But yeah, I will be showing you guys what the best bait is and how to get the actual bait button. So yeah, I recommend doing this in a public lobby. I just muted everybody, so that's why you can't hear anybody. Do not walk into these guys. They're bad. So yeah, I'm actually recording this in VR, so you have to have a VR to get this game. It's called Animal Company. What the heck? What? Why is there just a bunch of rockets here? I'm actually gonna keep one of these rockets. That's how you get radar up there, and this video is not about that. Yeah. What the heck? My cat wants to come in. This cat. Get in here. Get in here. Come on. I'm not talking to you. No, I'm not talking to you. I'm talking to my cat in real life. You're not real. But, essentially, we're gonna wanna go over here. Yay! 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 Ah! I believe I could fly. Yeah. So I forgot to tell you guys the gear that you need. You need a backpack, a grappling hook. I just got this one, and the revolver, and a flashlight. And if you don't have the grappler unlocked, then you could also use a teleporter. Here, let me actually get one of these. So they usually spawn up here. Yeah, here I already found one. You'll notice by this thing here. Let me actually go. Another no. So you want to put it in your bag, my rocket, and yeah, put it in your bag. I'm sorry, I'm having a bunch of brain errors right now. I'm like moving that stuff, but yeah. They usually spawn up there. Look for the green little light, and when you do find the green little light, pick it up, put it in your backpack. Why is there one of these in here? Old-fashioned way. Get a better angle on my shot. Yes. Alright, I did it. Alright, now they drop trash loot, so I don't want to get the loot. I don't want to go to the loot. My cat's meowing to go out of my room. Here, let me actually get him out. Get out. He's a dumb kitty. He's a dumb kitty. And yeah, since you have the bait, but this little thing, you can so you guys go ahead and there's a little bit of double fish. Essentially, my bad. I keep on saying essentially. You could put this in here. I already have it unlocked, so I can't put it in. So I'm just gonna leave this there. But let me tell you the best bait. The best bait is the shellfish, and the starfish is decently good. But shellfish is. How long have I been recording for? That guy's playing music. How long have I been recording for? I don't know how to check how long I've been recording for. Yeah. That is how you can go and get the bait button. It's kind of like bye bye. Yo, okay.